Hi guys, come make a red raspberry refresher with me using the reCAP mason jar pour lid. To start off any refreshing drink, we're just going to need some ice, and I'm going to fill that all the way to the top. Next, I'm going to take some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're just going to pour a little bit of that into our mason jar. For the base of our drink, I'm going to be using Sprite, but you can use seltzer as well if you like. For the star of the show, we're going to be using red raspberry syrup. I'm pouring this everywhere and you can be very generous with it. Now that we have this beautiful ombre, I'm going to top off the drink with a slice of lemon. Lastly, top it off with a reCAP mason jar pour lid. I have this beautiful glow-in-the-dark green that you can purchase in the description below. Shake it up evenly and voila, you have a nice refreshing drink for the hot summer days.